everyone, it's Lauren again, and I am back in the Lumina studio today to bring you guys another awesome look from our tarot card palettes that we just recently launched. Today we're going to be working out of the Strength palette, which I'm super excited about these colors. I've been dying to dig into this palette just because the red in this palette is amazing. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. Look at how fun those are. I'm so excited to try this energy color right here. I've been thinking of looks all weekend long of what I could do to show you guys how to get an incredible look from these palettes, so I'm super excited to dig in. I've already primed my eyelids. I got my eyebrows on, of course, but I didn't put my face on yet, and I always recommend doing the face after if you're doing more of a dramatic eye, just to save yourself some time and save yourself a mess under your eyes. So we're gonna be doing something different. I want to use a red lipstick on my eyes. Now I know that sounds crazy. It's gonna give us a nice foundation for that color so it's nice and vibrant and looks really pretty. So let's go ahead and get started. So the lip color that I'm using is one of our Luminous lip colors, and this one is Blood Moon. Really pretty. And I know it sounds scary to put this color on your eyelids, but I promise you the payoff is gonna be so great. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just using a synthetic flat brush, something like this here. So let's go ahead and pop this red color onto our eyelid. Focusing on your lid area, not going above the crease, because we are gonna blend that out quite a bit. So that way we don't have any transfer of color and everything is nice and spread out. And it gives you a nice foundation for you to work with that red color. Okay, so let's go ahead and pick up a blending brush and just start buffing that through your crease area. Dragging it up just a bit. Here we go, not going too much higher than your crease, but everywhere that red color is going to be pressed on is where we want our red base to be. So just above that crease and all over the eyelid. Okay, so it's gonna look something like this right now. Okay, so go ahead and do that to the other side. And I'm just making sure everything's even on both sides. Next, we're gonna go in with our energy color, which is this color right here. And I want you to take one of your flat bristled brushes, something like this, something soft but firm, and go ahead and pick up quite a bit of that energy color. Tap off any excess. And we're gonna press this into our lid, our eyelid. There we go, getting that nice and packed on there. There we go. Go ahead and do the other side as well. Okay, now go ahead and pick up that same blending brush that we used earlier for our red lipstick or our red eyeshadow base, and this is when you'll start to buff that color up onto the top of that red base that we put on. Go, just blending back and forth, little circular motions to get that really worked in there. Oh, it's so beautiful. This color is amazing. Look at how electric it looks. It's gorgeous. What a fun color. I can see me using this color for many reasons. And I know this is looking really crazy right now, but when dealing with colors like this, it always looks crazy until like the very end when you get done and everything is put together and nice and pretty. So don't be alarmed if you're like, holy crap, this looks crazy. It does look crazy. I'm like, oh, what are we doing right now? But I think it's looking okay. It will look fine, I promise you. The end product is definitely worth the craziness going on during the application. Pick up the same energy color, which is this one here. And we're going to be using a flat definer brush, which is this one just like this. So pick up that energy color with the definer brush, and you're going to run this in the lower lash line. There we go. All the way across. Same thing to the other side. Okay, next we are going to move on to our next color from our palette, which is Ambitious, which is this pretty orange color right here. And we're gonna run this through your crease. But go ahead, we have the color on our brush. As you can see here, it's all through here. So go ahead and flip your brush up like this. Starting in the outer crease area, and just gonna start buffing that through. And just blend that on up. Okay, and go ahead and do that to the other side. Okay, next step is our passion color, which is this pretty purpley pink color right there. And I want you to run that, take your definer brush, the one that we used earlier for our lower lash line, dip into that color, and we're gonna run this around the lower lash line again, but getting really, really close to the lower lashes to create some definition. Same thing for the other eye. Went ahead and I cleaned up under my eye, and as you can see, I just drag that up to my, my eyebrow. The end of my eyebrow. Same thing for this side. So next I want you to dip into your Invincible color, which is this color right here. It's a nice pretty champagne-y gold. And I want you to pop that onto your inner corner with a flat or pencil brush, something like this here. And dip into that Invincible champagne color, and this is gonna go right in your tear duct area. Same thing for the other side. And then flip your brush over where the product is not, and feather that on up. There we go. Okay, it's looking something like this. Okay. And I do want to run my blending brush underneath my lower lash line just to kind of marry that pink color and red color. And I picked up just a little bit more of that passion pink color. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner really quick, and I will be right back. Bam, and lashes are on. Can we agree that these lashes, period, just transform any look, whether it be a natural look or a dramatic look? So I always think lashes are a plus and a must. But everybody's different, everybody's eyes are different, so please choose your lashes or no lashes according to your own comfort. But go ahead and, or I'm gonna go ahead and take one more break. We're gonna go ahead and finish up this face, and then we're gonna do any final touches together, and then I will wrap up this look. I'll be right back. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna see what Prissy looks like, which is out of our Luminous collection, our lip stain in, I don't know, called Prissy. And it's a prissy little pink, fun and cute. I think it'd be really nice. The red, I think, would look great in like a photo shoot if you were to do like red on the lips, red on the eyes, fun, dramatic, editorial look. But I think we should just take it down just a step because this look is like raw in your face. And let's just do a pretty like Barbie doll pink, I guess you could say. I think that's great. Have you guys tried our lip stains yet? If you have not, you are totally missing out. These things are amazing. And they literally stay on all day long. I also do weddings and stuff outside of Luminous, and my brides go crazy for this stuff. They love the lip stain. Excuse me. Ooh, so pretty. I love this color. This is probably my new favorite color. But we're not going to stop there. We're going to go ahead and line these bad boys with some pink liner. See if this one will look good. And voila, we're all done. So this is this look. I hope you guys like it. It was my first go around with this palette. So I just kind of went with it and didn't plan anything, just kind of just went with it. So if you guys have any questions about this look, please comment below in the section below. I am answering any and all questions, and I'd be more than happy to get you an answer to a problem that you might be having. So go ahead and ask away. I'm here to help you guys with whatever it is that you need help with. And until next time, have a lovely Monday, and I will see you next time. Mwah!